I absolutely hate my life. Alright, you see, I was doing this video where I built the super smelter. I'll pop up a clip of me building it. Alright, so that is that, but yeah, well, the video doesn't do it. Let's see, because if I do it in full screen, that's how it shows up on YouTube. Full screen. This is just a normal intro, you need to add sound to that. But see?
Welcome back.
Wait, what? Huh? Wait a damn second. Huh? What?
Welcome back to another.
See, it's just a black screen.
Superflat. Yeah, it's a fluper flat.
Fluper flat. That's the name of the episode. I need to set it to this. Yep, save. It is just I hate my life. But yeah, I built it, so well, actually, I don't even think it's gonna allow me to do it. But yeah. So wait, actually, does this even work? Yeah, it does. Alright. Good. But yeah, that's that. I covered this whole land in torches so that if it's night and it's on hard, well, I'm flooding the world. Okay, let's just close Roblox real quick. It is really laggy. There's a bit better. Do I even have sodium? Yeah, I do. Whatever. So yeah, if it's becoming night, then I will be safe from the mobs when I switch to hard permanently. But before we do that, we still are gonna need a lot of water from to that side. Damn, why is my game so laggy? Jeez, my game is lag. Alright, whatever. Maybe next window will help. Maybe. Oh, damn. Oh. Yikes. Just need one more bucket of water. One more! Yeah, we can throw sticks away. No, actually we still need to fill that one with water. Yeah, like that. Alright. So I started on this little project called Flooding the World. I said it in the other video, but now I have to repeat it again. it is really annoying. Let me just set my speaker a bit closer. Maybe you can hear me better now. Or my microphone. It is through my microphone. Right. Sometimes it just goes through my speaker. Let's see. This is a full block. Okay, what I'm doing is basically flooding the entire world. Like I made the map so that it's the whole wall, not just a circle. I really need to expand it that way. Whatever. We'll work on that off screen, maybe. But yeah, basically I'm just gonna do a time lapse real quick, so that you guys don't have to watch all of this, because it's just pure pain for you guys. So here comes the time lapse. So, that was quite work. Just to finish up this little thing here. That was quite work. I need to place some torch here. I know that will come. But we faced a little problem there. Yes, I used rails to make the water not go into the dirt mine. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird mechanic. But yeah, let's get all of the water again. It's pretty fun to use my elytra. Elytras are just fun, okay? Just gonna say it. Elytras are fun. And if you don't agree, well then you have bad luck. Oh, I am a weirdo. No, but I think elytras are pretty cool. Like some people complain about, but all other transportation methods are then useless. Yeah. So you can fly. That's cool. You can fly. It's easy transportation. And yes, I do mean by other people. By other people, I mean Gammon included. And I do agree, make Minecraft faster. I do. It's finally starting to spread again. And I think we're almost done. What do I see there? Nah, that's good. That is okay. Let's put this and boom. So let's put my items back. I seriously thought I was a pillager patrol. That's Grey Sheep, you're a pillager. That is now officially official. I do have some glowstone on me and some more fences. Alright, let's see. Let's see how far this gets us. I really hate doing this, but it's just a little bit more, not really much. Let's get silk touch. I think these light poles are just stupid, but why did I decide to do them? I don't know. I don't know why I decided to do that. Torch, come here. Come here. There you go. Alright, what the heck, man. Bro decided to become different. Oh my god, mobs can spawn. Well, in a second, not anymore. There you go. No more mobs can spawn. Great. Alright. I say we upgrade the map and then go village raiding for some new torches. So, a quick map update. That was a bucket. That's better. Let's actually, yeah. Let's take all of these. Let's take all of the maps and go, go, go. Alright. So that is that. Pew. Well, let's take these then. Let's take them. That's better. But yeah, basically the whole map needs to be blue. Damn. Yeah, I think we'll get rid of the light poles and just replace them with torches, because that only the light poles, they do show up. Let's actually, whoa, magic. Oh wait, no magic, no magic. Okay, well that's magic. National, I'm on 1.20, so I don't have the mini hut mod. I know that's a way better one, but I just can't start. I can't, because it isn't the right version. flats out in this village. Bye. Right. So this is the last thing we're gonna do for this episode. Should we do that? Yeah, probably. Should probably do that. I don't know what, like red is, I think it's mob spawning, and blue is also mob spawning, or it's just complete darkness. That's also an option. But see, like that, and it was red for a second. Oh damn, bro. We're already burning through the stacks. We're burning. We're burning through them. Alright, whatever. I actually don't. Okay. No, I do want to pick up the glowstone, boy. I do want to do that. Yeah, let's get rid of all of these, and then we'll replace the bottom things with torches. Eventually. If we're done, we will replace the things with torches. Okay, I need that. Oh wait, actually, yeah, we can just get rid of that. Yeah, see, it's dark everywhere now. Oh, damn. I don't think that comes from that light blue. Neither any closer. Destroy it at least. I should talk a bit harder, but oh man. Man. Right. Yes, we're also gonna need those light bulbs. More torches. Almost done. Just these last two. Right. Alright, let's do this. No! Well, we say goodbye, boy. Bye. Oh, that was annoying. Oh. Why am I mind that with my pickaxe? I think that's all. Oh, no, wait, not all. Not all of them. Oh, definitely not. Oops. Still got some to go. Right. That's a bit better. Where am I? Okay. That's one. That's two. That's... Wait, we should probably, just to make it a bit more cool, should probably do that. Yeah, that's cool. That's way cool. Right. So these are some dark spots. A little bit dark, not dark enough. But I say we go and trade for some lanterns, and then we'll cover those places up. We'll also cover those. So, yeah. I just said that twice. Why did I say that twice? I don't know what I said that twice. What the heck? What the heck am I talking about? Alright. Let's go to the mushroom real quick. Mushroom blocks. Just to that's right. Oh yeah, and I got some bells. Free bells, yippee! Wait a damn second, what did I see? I see dark spots. That cannot be happening. I need the torches. What are you needed? I need them torches. I don't care if you want me to do it or not. I don't care. We should probably do that. But first, lantern time. So do the lantern, huh? That's good. 25. Oh, need that. Yeah. I don't need that really. I don't need that so much. Oh, that was great clutch. Bro. Nuh-uh. No bats allowed. No bats allowed. Why did I do that? Oh, yeah. We can just leave like the little dark spots. I can leave those. Like these big ones. Or we can get rid of them. And this one. Right there. And this one. This one. One more. Where's the little biggie dark spot? That's so. That does look a bit more festival. That's cute. Right, so definitely on all of those and the back ones. Maybe on all the logs. Yeah. Even if it's not needed, we'll do it on all the logs. Doesn't help him, but whatever. Alright, we can do one more quadrant. This is the last quadrant that we can do before we run out of torches. Boom. Well, actually, we do have still one. Doesn't matter. We got a lot more torches because we need to do all the tough blocks as well. Yes, we're going to do second. But we'll do that in the next episode. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in episode 8. Bye.